Alright, do some more.
Mr. Petrucci, you gotta dance again. I missed it.
I only do it like once a day.
Yeah, Mr. Petrucci, I heard you could Dougie.
No, he can't Dougie. He can only do the cat daddy.
Yeah, that's all.
You could get it. I want to see. Come on.
One more time, that's it.
Cat daddy, yay.
Alright, last time, right?
No, I got it.